Hey everyone, welcome back to Mandy's Planet for Not So Sloppy Joe. So I'm going to be using some ground turkey, 7% fat, and this brand called Not So Sloppy Joe. So it's supposed to be a thicker sauce, so let's get started and see how this sauce is. So first I have my pan heated. I'm going to put my ground turkey down in the pan, and please like, subscribe, and share. So we're going to get our ground turkey cooking. So everybody really knows how to make a sloppy joe, and you can make your own sauce at home, or you can get manwich, or you can try this not so sloppy joe. I mean, I don't really know how many of you out there have tried this sauce, but I do recommend it. It's very yummy, and this sauce already has like green peppers and onions mixed in, so you don't have to put any of that in with the ground beef or ground turkey, whatever you prefer to use. I'm diet eating right now, so that's why I'm using the ground turkey. So we're just going to go ahead and let this ground turkey cook up, and then I'll be back once it's ready for the sauce. Just want to give a friendly tip for cooking ground turkey. It does not brown up like ground beef. It gets more of a tan color really, and you'll get to see that here in the video if you're not familiar with making ground turkey. Okay, so our ground turkey appears to be ready. So we're going to get ready and put some sauce in. And if it's not cooked all the way through, it will be as we add the sauce in. So here we go. We're going to do 3 jars of the Not So Sloppy Joe. It is done now. So let's get started. This stuff is so thick that it's actually kind of hard to get out of this jar. I'm going to use my spatula to help scrape it out of there. And you might not want to do this, but I did because I don't mind it. But I am going to just add a little bit of water to get the rest of the sauce out. But with this flavor, Not So Sloppy Joe, it kind of has a barbecue tangy taste to it instead of that real tomatoey taste. So I'm going to add in the other 2 jars here in a minute. now that we have all of our sauce in, I have it on like a medium heat, and I'm going to mix it around, and I'm going to let it simmer, and then once the sauce looks like it's ready to go and ready to eat, I will put it on low heat. It's nice and bubbly, nice and thick. And I don't know about everybody else, but for my sloppy joes, I like to put cheddar cheese or American cheese. So I hope that you will try that as well when you make your sloppy joes. Thanks for watching Mandy's Planet. Bye.